Are you tired of searching for legitimate ways to earn money online, only to be met with scams and false promises? In this video, we'll dive deep into a completely free site that opens doors to easy and effective methods to boost your income from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time opportunity, this platform has something for everyone. Watch now and take the first step toward financial freedom. We'll guide you through the process, share tips and tricks, and help you get started on your journey to financial independence. Don't miss out on this chance to change your life. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now let's get started. eSurveyBox is a legitimate site that offers a unique opportunity to earn extra income from the comfort of your home. You can earn by answering surveys and doing small tasks, making it a flexible option for anyone looking to make some extra cash. Joining eSurveyBox is simple and free. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. Just fill out the registration form with your basic details, confirm your membership via the email link sent to you, and you're all set to start earning rewards. Share your opinions through surveys and watch your earnings grow. It's that easy. Another method of earning through eSurveyBox is by engaging with their Offerwall. This feature allows users to explore a variety of offers and advertisements that are tailored to their interests and preferences. These are in-site advertising platforms that promote specific websites and mobile apps. By interacting with these ads, users can discover new products and services that might be of interest to them, through which you call up paid offers. These offers can range from signing up for newsletters or downloading apps. For completing each paid survey or offer, you will receive a certain number of points. These points can then be redeemed for various rewards, such as gift cards, cash, or other exciting prizes. Engaging with the Offerwall is a simple and effective way to maximize your earnings on eSurveyBox. You can then convert your earned points into various gift cards, or you can convert them to cash through PayPal. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried eSurveyBox or any other making money site? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.